Allegretto by Kohler. Here's middle C. I'm starting on treble C. My hand is in a 5-finger C position. So I started in the C position and I started with Do. And if we look at the music, we can read it with our solfege. Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, do, same as before. Re, mi, re. Do, mi, re, mi, do, do. The other hand does the same movement, but it doesn't start on do. These are not in unison in the sense that they're playing the same notes. Rather, the left hand is starting on mi, and they're playing a sixth away. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're going in the same direction. And so I'm just thinking of my right hand and letting the left hand follow. Now move your hands and do it in G position. Let's try it in A minor position. It's going to sound different. And I'm going to finish it back to C position.